Just have my foot there. So, take your nickel strip, give it a couple welds to tack it on. Get your wire. The reason why this works is because we're welding nickel onto nickel. This is copper bus bar. You can't weld to copper, but you can weld to nickel. Fold it over. Really, it would be okay what I just did. That would hold it good enough. But I fold it over. Give it a couple extra welds. And the copper and the nickel will actually weld together. That little spark there was a misfire because the probe slipped off. Just what I did there would be good enough. But I fold it over. Do a couple more welds.